So this is my project, my Math Centers project by Jenna Barrios. The place value for second grade state standards. So understand that the three digits of a three-digit number represent amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones. 100 can be thought of as a bundle of tens called 100. The numbers 100, 200, 300, all the way up to 900 refer to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 hundreds. Count within 1,000, skip counts by fives, tens, 100s. Read and write numbers to 1,000 using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. And compare two three-digit numbers based on meaning of the hundreds, tens, and one digits using greater than, equal to, and less than symbols to record the results of comparisons. So for my first activity, the length would be 20 minutes. The learning outcome would be students will understand that three-digit numbers represent amounts. Description is students will create as many three-digit numbers given only 3 minutes. Whoever creates the most numbers wins. Give students new numbers and repeat the game. This is an activity that would be used at the end of a lesson in order to assess what they've learned. So this is just something that I came up with on my own. So I just put some numbers down here because there's so many numbers that the students could come up with. In 3 minutes with just those few numbers that I put there, they could do. And really it'll just test them to think if they can think under pressure, if they can come up with different numbers that their classmates haven't come up with, and I think it'd be a fun activity for them to do. So for my second activity, the length would be 25 minutes. The learning outcomes, students will be able to read and write numbers in expanded form. The standard is read and write numbers to 1,000 using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. The description is students will match the standard form, word form, expanded form, and a base 10 block representation of each number. And this is used at the very end of a chapter. So here's just a picture of what it would look like. So basically, that's just like a puzzle they get to put together. So they get the number 62, and they have to find the word 62. Then they find the model 62, and then they find the expanded form, and they put it all together, and that is how they would complete the puzzle. And if you want to keep practicing, below you can find a link. You can select either of those links. The first one is kind of just games that kids can play either at home or if they have, if they finish their classwork early, kind of like a reward. So the Splash Math is just more fun. And then this website down here, Teachers Pay Teachers, that's where I found my second activity, and I thought it had a lot of really great resources for teachers. And that's my assignment. Thanks.